Jim Demetrio of Demetrio, Montano and Associates. We're the tax problem specialists. We specialize in helping people and businesses who owe money to the IRS. If you want solutions to your tax problems, please listen. Almost 1/3 of our clients are business clients that owe payroll taxes. They may owe anywhere from $20,000 to $30,000 up to $100,000 or $200,000. In fact, I have one client that owes $1 million in payroll taxes. Most of the time we negotiate installment agreements where they can pay those taxes monthly. I can get payroll taxes spread over 12 months, 36 months, 4 or 5 years, up to 10 years to pay off payroll taxes on a monthly basis. We do an income and expense analysis. We look at the cash flow of the business, money coming in every month and money going out, to determine their ability to pay on a monthly basis the old payroll taxes. At the same time, we must make sure they pay their current taxes and not accrue additional liabilities. Now, if our client is a corporation, it's somewhat different. Yes, we can get the corporation an installment agreement, but what the IRS will also do is look at the people in the corporation that were responsible for collecting, accounting for, and paying those taxes. Because if the corporation can't pay off those taxes pretty quick, 1 to 2 years, the IRS will make an assessment against those individuals who are responsible for collecting, accounting for, and paying the taxes. They actually pierce the corporate veil and assess those taxes against individuals, and then those individuals are responsible. A corporation could owe $100,000 in taxes and want to pay $1,000 a month. Well, it'll take 100 months to pay that off. What the IRS will do is interview the principals of the corporation to see who's responsible for not paying those taxes, and they will make an assessment against that person individually on their social security number and collect it from that individual just as they would income tax. Typically, these are principals of the business, the president, the vice president, secretary, treasurer, but it's basically whoever was responsible for collecting, accounting for, and paying the taxes. As a result, it could include anybody who signs checks for a corporation. Whoever was making the decision on what bills to pay or what bills not to pay, those people can be assessed. Clients ask us, what if I can't pay those taxes? What if I default on my installment agreement? The IRS can levy the bank account, the IRS can levy accounts receivable and take the money from those sources. But the important thing is that we can get installment agreements, and we will protect you from the IRS taking everything you own. And even if you're assessed personally, you will still be allowed to pay your monthly living expenses. And the question is, how much can you pay after you pay your necessary living expenses? Over the last 20 years, we've helped over 9,000 individuals and businesses resolve their tax problems with the IRS. Give us a call for a consultation, and we'll be able to help you today.